So the trigger piece is normally for commercial machines, so it comes often with this larger section here. If this is on it, we just need to remove that first. Then the narrow end of this missing link adapter will connect that and adapt it into here. Now connecting this is easy. There is a seal here that you need to push down on, so there will be a bit of resistance. You need to push heavy so that you can get it so that the thread will start. Once the thread starts, you're away, and then you're in. And then just use a crescent to tighten that up. Now if you have thread tape, you can put that around here as well if you like.